In this video, we will see how we can install Windows 11 operating system on our computer. At first, we need to download Windows 11. We can easily download the beta version of Windows 11 from Microsoft website. If you don't know how to download Windows 11, then you can check my other video. One of the other video, I mentioned how to download this Windows 11 beta version. Now, let's get started. Once we have the ISO file, then we can easily create a bootable disk or bootable pen drive from where we can load the operating system to our computer. So I already did that, and once I make it bootable, then we'll find this type of screen. At the beginning, it will take some time. Just wait few seconds, like 10 to 30 seconds, and it will start loading. See, here it is loading, and once it loaded successfully, then it will show this type of thing, Windows, and it will ask the language and the time zone and some other information. So just click on start to go to the next step. So I'm going to hit start button, and then it will ask install now, this button. To install it, we just need to press it there, and it will start loading the operating system. So it is getting ready to set up, and it is showing the message, this thing. So here it is asking the product key of this Windows. Right now it is in beta mode. I just downloaded it freely. So if you have the key, you can put the key over there. If you read the details, it is mentioning over there. And if you don't have, you can just bypass it by pressing this link that I don't have this thing. So if you go to the next, if you don't put the key, it will not go. So as I don't have the key, so I'm going to hit this button. That means I don't have the key, and from here we are seeing that different versions of Windows 11 operating systems are there. I will use the Pro version, but you can choose any of the Windows 11 version. So all of these versions are free. Okay, so right now it's free as it is beta mode, and then we have to press the next button to go to the next step, and again we have to agree this license agreement, and then hit the next button. Here it will ask us the type of the installation we are required to install. We are choosing this option, the advanced one, and then we have to choose the hard disk, and then we have to hit the next button to go to the next step. Once we are in this page, then it will start installing the Windows software, and it will take time. Just relax, it will take like 10 minutes to 20 minutes, something like that. And here all the persons must have to these steps, it require time, so be patient. So once it finished downloading or installing all of this thing, then we'll go to the next page, and this page will look like this thing. It will ask us to restart the computer. So don't do anything, you just need to wait till it get restarted. So I'm going to hit the restart button from after completing this step, or it will reset automatically after this many few seconds. So just wait till it restarted. So once it get restarted, then we'll go to the next step, and it will look like this. Done, then just wait. It will take some time to getting ready the Windows, generally like 3 to 5 minutes, and once it is getting ready, then you can complete the installation by following the next step. So this step basically you don't need to do, you just need to keep waiting. Okay, and you'll get this type of message several times. The Windows may be restarted, and after restarting, then it will ask you to choose this option, like what is the name of your computer, what type of computer is it, home for home use or for official use. Then you have to choose the computer name, and then after that, once you complete all the information, then it will restart, and it will ask you like this type of things. Here it will ask you the sign in, but I'm not going to sign in. I'm going to choose the other option to sign in, and then once I sign in different way, then it will ask you some of the security question or username, password, something like that. So I'm putting everything all together, and then it will give us this type of thing, that this is the Windows 11 and these are the features we are going to start with Windows 11. And then also if check all of this, then we can go to the next step. So I'm going to hit the next button to complete this part and to check how Windows 11 will look like. This is at the beginning, it will show you like this type of thing. Okay, but you can skip this thing, and once it is done, it will restart, and it will take some time, and after a few minutes, then it will give us the message. This might take a few minutes, like don't turn off your computer or PC. Basically it is going to download everything and doing the setup for Windows 11 for a computer. And once it's done, then you will find this type of page or this type of window. That means our Windows 11 is getting ready completely. That means we are ready to use the Windows 11. And that's all. In this way, we can easily install Windows 11 operating system by downloading the beta version of Windows 11 from Microsoft official website, and we are installing this without any key because I didn't have the key. But if you have the key, then just put the key to activate your Windows. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to install the Windows 11 operating system on your computer. Thanks for watching.